Let's make this mouth-watering Nigerian vegetable soup using bitterleaf and scentleaf. It is loaded with so much health benefits and packed with so much flavor. Let's get started. To a pot, add the protein of choice. I'm using goat meat, beef, and cow tail. Add salt, beef seasoning cubes, blended onions and yellow scotch bonnet. I will be using dried periwinkle. Add this at this point because it takes a while to become soft. Mix together. The goal is to cook all the tough proteins first, then add stockfish and dried fish depending on how strong they are. Cover and cook for around 15 minutes to allow the meat release its juices. After 15 minutes, add enough water to cook the proteins until it is 80% done. Now at this point, I added the rest of the stockfish and dried fish. Instead of using palm oil, I'm using palm nut extract as this adds a lovely taste. Now palm nut extract comes in a paste form, so add boiling water and it dissolves completely to look like soup. Pour this into the protein mix, avoiding the bottom as it contains some unwanted particles. Mix together. Cover and bring to a boil. Now let's prepare the vegetables. I am using dried bitter leaf, which I already washed. Add this to a blender. Next, add scent leaf. I'm also using dried scent leaf. Add onions, Orioma seeds, Ehuru, dried Bonga fish, crayfish, and water. I forgot to add Uziza seeds, so I added my Uziza seeds at this point, and then I blended until I had a very smooth paste. Pour these blended vegetables into the pot. Add some water. Mix together. Taste and adjust seasoning. I added some Cameroun pepper for additional kick. Cover and bring to a boil. To finish up the soup, I added some grilled hake fish, allow to cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, and voila! Our delicious vegetable soup is ready to be enjoyed, bursting with flavors with the addition of the Uziza seed, the Orioma seeds, and the Ehuru. This took the soup to the next level. Enjoy with your favorite swallow.